Hey everybody, guess what? My Agendio came. I'm so excited. Can't wait. All I've done is cut it open, so I haven't looked inside yet. So let's get right into it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, the coil looks great. Agendio always packages their planners so well. They always arrive so safe and secure. I love that. All right, let's get rid of this. Cardboard down. Bubble wrap. Save that. The Agendio logo. Oh, it looks so pretty. All right, so we'll open this up. Forgive the noise. I'm sorry. That crinkly noise. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Oh, it looks fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, the coil looks great. As you can see there, the coil, it's about, I would say, about an inch and a half, inch and a quarter. That's perfect. I would say this is almost exactly Erin Condren, plum paper, all those types of sizes. I'd say it's about the exact same size. And this is so much better. Oh, looks lovely. Oh, I'm so excited. I really think this is just the perfect for fall. They recently redid this cover. You can see how thick that is. Nothing is capping into this. It is super thick and just beautiful. They really have the saturation level of the colors on their cover isn't better too. I don't know if that's something changed or it's just the new patterns that they have. They really have upped it. I'm still one of those camps that I still want to be able to upload my own image. That I think would be ideal, to be able to have like a picture of my family or something like that on top. That would be my ideal. But until then, I'm really liking some of the new covers, and this one just is so beautiful. Okay, so here we go. I have my model numbers here. I have the 2 years, 2020 and 2021, all the way to 2022 actually in here. This is my year at a glance, so I created this in the builder. You just have to tell it whether or not you're doing kind of the left side or the right side. And so I have it, I actually changed mine because my planner starts in August. So I'm having it start in August and then go all the way to July. That way I can be following the path. My last one started in January. But I love this. I love having the extra lines at the bottom to be able to write. I could have chosen anything, but I love that. And I got to, with their new builder, I got to choose the color for this. So my August is actually this beautiful kind of orangey yellow color, but I wanted purple for my year at a glance. I tried a couple different ones, and I love that. So I'm gonna get right into the first month. Yay! Oh, it looks fantastic. I went super, super simple with this planner so that I can add lots of things, lots of stickers, lots of extra things that I want. And I feel like I need a reset. I've got a lot of different things happening in my life, and all the things that I used to need in a planner, I don't use the same way anymore. And so this is my reset planner. Basically, I left my big open spaces for me to figure out what I use and what I need, and then that way I can go back in my next Agendio and say, all right, here's the things that I was planning, here's the ways that I was using my planner. Now I can put specifics in that are right to my life. So one thing I did add though that I love is I love to track my packages for a month. So I did add a spot to track packages and then just check off so I can write the packages I'm expecting and when they're gonna arrive. And then I did do a positive thought, because that is something from my previous planners that I have always loved. And I'm just trying to get myself to do it more, is to make sure I have a positive thought. So like I said, I just blank on the side. I do always get my moon phases, and I like sort of the more simplistic tops. And the only thing I shade are the months. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, it looks perfect. All right, so let me show you in detail. Not that there is much detail. You're probably like, what? Where's the planner, right? But this is perfect. So this is the 3-box You know, some people do morning, afternoon, evening. This is the 1.5 inch wide, so they're going to fit all of my stickers and things. Then the sidebar with just basic lines, and then a top that I can use for whatever I want. And then I just love having it just be very, very simple, and the color is just a band at the top and the bottom. And this way I can figure out how my planner works best for me. I just love that I got this nice neutral place that I was able to put my own holidays, you know, my own events and things into, and choose my own colors, because I always have had different colors than everybody else. So I just absolutely love that. And then after each week, I do have a brain dump area, which I always have to have a brain dump area. And this time I didn't even put a title at the top. I just wanted this to be free space. But then this I did keep, and I love this. This was the meal planning. I used this, every single one of them, in my last planner, and it was so valuable to be able to plan out. I did change the baking thing to just say extras at the bottom, because sometimes I needed that extra space for extra things. And the grocery list, what I do is I write out our meal plan, and then I write all the groceries I need, and then I take a photo of it and I go to the grocery store, and it has just worked so well. And I've just been so pleased with it. So this is going to go in every single one of my planners because I use it every single week. Okay, let's look at some of the colors I had. Awesome, I love the purple. Then obviously I did orange for October, November. Oh, these are great. December. You can see I have how the color looks. Days. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, this is fabulous. January. Oh, that blue just comes out so well. February, March, April, May, June, and July. Okay, and then they typically do a little bit extra here at the end. So July goes all the way. Let's see, let's go. Yes, that's what I thought. August is here, and it's in the same color as July because this is sort of your extra. They just do this. It's just something kind that they do. They give you this little extra bit for future planning. I think it's so that if you're ordering another one and you need, and it kind of gets close in time, you can, kind of put in the things that you need on your planner, and then that way you're not missing anything. So, and I get one last meal planning there, and then I have my tabs. So I do have a Etsy shop, and so I have some planning pages for that. And so I did my every other highlighted and shaded. That's so that I can really delineate what I'm doing. And then I have my brain dump notes. And I decided to have all of these, instead of having them for each month, I just decided to have a lot of these, the same page, in the back under the tab. That way I can just go there, and it doesn't necessarily mean it has to be 1 month or not. Because I found that some months I didn't use it and some months I needed even more space. So this way I can just keep it all under one tab in one spot. And then I also I have been finding that I don't like to print extraneous things. I like to write them down in my planner. So I did, my orders and my printed, my cut, all of that, so that I can sort of write those things out. And I did a bunch of those pages here, and that's all the same. And then I did notes pages in the back. And these are just straight notes pages because I love to brain dump, and I did it in purple. I got to choose the beautiful teal for my shop, and then purple, which again I had at the beginning of the planner too. I just love their purple. So I have all my notes pages, which is a good amount of notes pages. And then I'm always gonna get one of their pockets. This is the smoothest feeling. It feels a little like a vinyl. It's like a vinyl coated paper almost. And it's just so smooth, and I use it for everything, and it holds up so well because of this. It is not going anywhere. It holds up. You can, stick things to it and decorate it up, which is what I choose to do. I usually decorate them. And it's just, this is one of the best. It might not be fancy or frilly, but it is so soft, and it holds up better than almost any other ones that I've ever had. So my planner's perfect. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so, I can't wait to get going in my new planner. The coil is just absolutely perfect. I mean, this is a sturdy coil. This is thick. This is not, you know what I mean, going anywhere. This planner it's the heft that I want. I would say, we're looking at, if this is, about an inch, it's probably an inch and a half thick, I'd say, inch and a quarter thick. And this is the type of planner that I love. I love how inclusive they are. I love how customizable they are. I mean, they're literally the most customizable planner on the market. So join up with Agendio Planner fans if you haven't already, because it's a Facebook group that we're just fans of Agendio, and we absolutely love it, and we can share our customizing in it, and which is something that can be hard at times. And we always have suggestions, like if you can't figure out how to do something you want to do, you can always ask, and they're like, hey, can I do this? And half the time I'm always wondering if, man, can you do this? And so then I'll go around and play in the builder and be like, okay, well, you could do this and this and this and this. And it's just a lot of fun. I just have so much fun with it. And I love these planners, and I love being able to choose our colors and make everything inside so special and so wonderful to me specifically and what I want. This is perfect. This is perfect. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.